Dr. Miller really supports our troops here at Dentistry Dental. One of my family members, a brother-in-law, went to Iraq, and he was a wellness director over there. He got there and called and was telling me that the guys over there had a Xbox, no games. They had TVs, old, outdated movies, footballs that were deflated. I was talking to Dr. Miller about it one day, and he told him, hey, send us a list, see what we can do. He sent us a list, and before you knew it, Dr. Miller had gotten Xbox games, movies. They even needed tube socks. He went out and bought all kinds of tube socks for the guys, and footballs. And then as a thank you, they sent us the flag. It was a flag that was actually flown over Iraq and over their campsite, and Dr. Miller had it framed. Also, a couple of the guys called our office and thanked him for doing that for him. They called from Iraq and used their time to call him. And so we really support our troops and appreciate them here.